Scaling your business, proven strategies for rapid growth in 2024. Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, you know that scaling your business is a thrilling yet challenging task. Yeah. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into some proven strategies that can help you achieve rapid growth. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out on valuable business insights. Let's jump right in. Understanding your market. The first key to scaling your business is understanding your market. Before you even think about expansion, take the time to analyze your target audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? By truly understanding your market, you can tailor your products or services to meet their needs. Once again, segment 2, optimize your operation. Once you've got a solid understanding of your market, it's time to optimize your operations. Look at your internal processes. Are there any bottlenecks? Streamline where you can. Embrace technology. And consider outsourcing non-core activities. This will free up time and resources for what truly matters: growing your business. Segment 3, leverage digital marketing. In the digital age, effective marketing is crucial for scaling. Leverage the power of digital marketing channels, from social media to content marketing. Develop a strong online presence, and don't be afraid to invest in paid advertising if it aligns with your strategy. A well-executed digital marketing plan can significantly boost your brand visibility. Segment 4, build a high-performance team. No business can scale without a high-performance team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision. Foster a positive company culture. Invest in training programs and empower your team to take ownership. Remember, your team is your greatest asset on the path to growth. Segment 5, diversify your revenue streams. To scale, consider diversifying your revenue stream. Rely slowly on one product or service that can be risky. Explore complementary offerings or new markets. This not only protects your business from the market fluctuations but open up new avenues for growth. And there you have it, some key strategies for scaling your business. Remember, the path to rapid growth is unique for every business, so don't be afraid to experiment and adapt. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Also, let me know in the comment section which strategy you are most excited to implement. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your journey to success. Yes, this is your YouTuber signing off. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the video. Okay?